Hey guys, it's Mr. Hen here, and today my guest Hannah, this beautiful, wonderful artist, young artist, is going to be joining me, and we're going to be drawing what?
A puppy dog.
A puppy dog. All right, and we are using Sharpie markers, and we're drawing on cardstock. If you're using thinner paper, you're going to want to have a couple of sheets so it doesn't bleed through onto the table below. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take our cap off our marker. All right. The first mark we're going to make is actually going to be the bottom of the hind leg, and we're just going to draw a kind of a straight line across, a little slight curve to it. Good. Now we're going to draw the whole back of the puppy. This is kind of a nice round mark, and we're going to stop it right above where the toes stop on the hind leg. Good deal. All right, now we're going to draw up from this line. We're going to draw a curved line and then make it kind of straight and angle down a little bit. That's going to be the hind leg. We're going to put two little paw toes on here. Perfectamundo. Now we're going to do the hind leg, and the hind leg is going to kind of start out just back of the toes here, and we're going to go up and connect it back to the back like that. It's a long curved line. Very good. Now our front legs are going to come down and going to be kind of tucked behind our hind legs, so we're just going to draw a straight line down. It's going to run right into that first toe. Then we're going to draw a straight line across right there, just a short little line. And that's going to be our first paw. So we're going to draw over and then up to follow the leg. Yep. And then we'll put two little toes on that leg. And this Sharpie is a little bit tight. So good job, huh?
Thank you.
Now we're going to draw the chest here, just a little line for the chest on our puppy. And then we're going to draw another leg down. That's going to be the back of the second leg. Yep, just straight down. It lands on one of those toes. Draw a straight line over. And we're going to arc it up. And this is going to continue into the chest of the dog. And we'll stop up there where the neck is going to begin. Good deal. We're going to put a couple of toes on this paw too. 1, 2. All right. And now we're going to start with the head. We're going to do a round side here, kind of like parentheses. We're going to do a round side over here, kind of like parentheses. Now we get to do the ears, okay? So the ear is going to start here, and it's going to kind of be an upside down candy cane. Good. And actually, I'm going to pull my candy cane down just a little bit more. Yep. And now we're going to bring this ear out, straight across, and we're going to loop it back up like a U right there. Good deal. And then we'll draw the other part of the ear down to the head. Awesome. We're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to draw like a candy cane shape. Yep. We're going to draw a straight line over. Yep. And then we're going to make a U back this way. Awesome. And then we're going to bring that line down to the head. Fantastic. And then we're going to draw the rest of the head, and we're going to put it just a little bit above where our candy canes came down. There we go. And if you want to, you can put a little line in here for where the ear kind of starts there. There we go. Cool deal. All right, time for two eyes. We're going to make some kind of medium-sized eyes here. Like that. Yep. We want to have a little shiny spot in there, so we're just going to kind of do a little bit of black down at the bottom and make it kind of a round little shiny spot in there. There we go. And now we're going to do a nose, and a nose is kind of an upside down rounded triangle. So it's an upside down triangle. Yep. And then we're going to draw a straight line down from the point of the nose. We're going to come over here. We're going to make a U and a little dash. Yep, it's a smiley dog. And you can do a U that way and a dash. Yep. And now we're going to draw a tongue coming out on this side like that. And do a little line right in the middle. Awesome. Okay, now we need a tail on our dog. So we're going to come over here. We're going to draw a curved tail up. And then it's going to go to a point like that. Fantastic. And if you want to put any spots on your dog, you can. I'm going to draw a couple of circles in here to make some little spots and maybe one on the back like that. Yeah, it's kind of cool. You can put them wherever you want to. And I think we need a dog bowl. What do you think?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, let's do a dog bowl. So we're going to start a dog bowl here. We're going to do a slanted line here and a slanted line there. So it's got a big, wide base, and it gets a little bit narrower as it goes to the top. Yep. There we go. And we're going to do a curved bottom. So it's, whoa, it's like almost like a U. All right. And we're going to just come in just a little bit. We'll do 2 straight lines over like that. Now it's going to be kind of the edge of the bowl. And we're going to do another curve right up here. That's going to be the front edge of the bowl. And then we can kind of use a kind of a curvy, bouncy line here for the food. Yep. And then inside the food, we can put a couple of little pebbles of food in there. Little circles will make it look like kibbles. Yummy, yummy. Good stuff. All right. And you can put your pup's name on the bowl. So whatever your puppy's name is, you can put it on there. So our dog's name is Boston. So I'm going to put Boston.
Can I put another name?
Of course you can put another name. You can put whatever name you want. Duke. That's a good name. Duke. All right. And then I'm going to put like a little line behind my dog like this, behind my puppy, to just give it a little bit of a floor. And yeah. There we go. And now it's time to color.
Yep. Wait, we forgot something.
What did we forget?
A dog collar.
Oh my goodness. Of course. All right. Apologies. We're going to take our Sharpie here and we're going to finish out the dog's head, making a nice circle. That'll be the top of the collar. And then we're going to draw another loop down here and come up there. Yep, there you go. And then we'll draw a little circle for a dog tag on there. All right?
I already made it.
Oh, yeah, you already made a circle, so that could be the... Yeah, perfect. Okay, awesome. We can keep coloring. Well done.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time to sign it.
Okay.
Let's sign mine over here, over here. I'm gonna sign mine over here for now. All right, guys, that wraps up our drawing how to a puppy and how to draw a puppy. I kind of said that right, sort of. I think you understood. Thanks so much. We appreciate you joining us. Have a great day. And if you forgot to, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye, guys.
Bye.